Page 271, this is improvisation at the bottom of the page. Again, they're giving us the chord sequence and a suggested rhythm, and we get to make up a melody. Oh, goody. It's 3/8 time, and we're in the key of G major. The chords, let's do those first. I'm going to go kind of do them in both hands because the notes in the melody have to primarily fit with the notes in the chord. So, okay. So it's one chord, and then a D7 chord, which is here with the F sharp. It's a 5/7 chord. 5/7 chord again, and then the Italian sixth. Well figured out. Again, I go to the sixth step of the scale and down a half step. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go down a half step and build a seventh chord on that. A major triad and a minor seventh. Now this in reality is not a minor seventh, it's going to be an augmented sixth, but the same note on the keyboard. And that's the German. Now the Italian simply leaves out that note. Here. So I want this thing down here. That's what I'm after. Here. Huh? So I went from this, the D7 with an F sharp on the bottom, to that Italian thing, to the D7, to the G. That's what it is. And then I gotta have a melody that sort of uses that. Well, I'm no good at these melodies. You do what you want. They have a suggested rhythm. That's it. That was a terrible melody. I hate to publish that one. However, it gives you an idea. And then you do the walking bass. Fortunately, they're not asking us to transpose this. But if they were, we can always ignore it. But that's my suggestion on this. Again, if you have questions, just ask your teacher.